Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking the script and controlling the room. First, read aloud and mark breath so you know phrasing. This saves time in editing. Then orient the mic and set gain so loudest lines sit around -6 decibels. That gives headroom. Once done, record 2 short test takes, normal delivery and 1 louder. Listen for flutter, sibilance, or noise. Make small placement or gain tweaks and move immediately into full takes when levels and tone are consistent. You now focus on performance and mic technique. Begin with a 3 to 5 minute vocal warm-up to relax pitch and reduce pops, then use consistent distance, about 6 to 12 inches, and a slight off-axis angle to tame sibilance. Deliver each line 3 ways: neutral, emphatic, and a softer read so you have options. Make clear verbal markers or clap at the start of each take to speed synchronization. Once done, back up raw files and create metadata or file names that describe tone and version. You finish by editing and processing with clear intent. First, assemble the best phrases, remove distracting breaths, and apply gentle fades to keep edits invisible. Then apply a high-pass filter around 80-120 Hz to remove rumble, use light compression to control dynamics, and add a de-esser for sibilance. Subtle EQ boosts around 3.6 kHz add presence. Export in the required sample rate and bit depth for your deliverable. If audio still sounds harsh, check room reflections and mic angle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.